Hi guys, good morning. We're playing with Connect. I'm playing with my toys.
Ko para kay Pinex na food breakfast. So, zucchini, broccoli, and banana. Tsaka isang apple, tsaka pear. So, steam natin ng 6 or 7 minutes. So, ayan, kakain na siya ng breakfast. Cilantro, spinach, berry, eggplant. Mas gusto ko yan. How to cook tamago. Onion. Make sure it smell really good, guys. So, natin. Guys, how beautiful is it? So, this is the breakfast. Yung breakfast niya.
Thank you so much for the wonderful breakfast. It's very delicious. Thank you.
I'm gonna upload this one in YouTube. Is it okay with you?
Maybe Phoenix. Hey, handsome boy. You stop harassing me. Phoenix, tell your mama stop harassing daddy.
I like. Where's my camera? Is here.
Hi guys, if you like the video then give it a thumbs up. And bye bye.